So welcome to my project, the auction e-commerce project. So let's start with the first feature of this project, which is that it should have at least 3 models in addition to the user model. So these are the 3 models. We have bits here, we have the comment model, we also have the listing model. So for the next feature, a user should be able to create a listing. So let me go to this create a listing page. So we can create, for example, bottled water, bottled water. Starting bid can be, let's say, five US dollars. Description: a bottle of water. And then this is an optional field, so I wouldn't put anything there. Then I can put beverages. So if you click on submit, it creates your listing, and once we go to active listing, you will see our bottled water here. So for the next requirement, the active listing page should be the default route. So if I just log out and log in again, we'll see that. So let me log in. Login as run, password. So as you can see, this is the default route of the application, and the application displays the title, which is iPhone 12 in this case, the current price, the description, fairly used black iPhone, and it also displays a photo if it exists. If it doesn't, like this one, it displays no image available. For the next feature, so if a user clicks on a particular listing like this one, so the user is able to view all the details about this particular listing, including the current price. So the user can also add and remove this item from or to the watch list like this. So clicking on this, item is removed from the watch list. Clicking on this again, item is added to the watch list. This can also be closed. So for the bidding, let me use a different listing to demonstrate the bidding. So for this particular listing, winter jacket, so clicking on submit the bid, as we can see, the starting bid is 35 US dollars. So clicking on this, so if this is less than the starting bid, let's say 30 US dollars, which is less than 35, click on submit. User gets an error: your bid must at least be as large as the starting bid. So if the user bids for puts a price that's higher than the starting bid, it will accept the bid. Yes. So going back to this, we can now see the price is updated to 40. So clicking on submit the bid again. So if it's less than that 40, let's say 38, which is higher than the starting bid but less than the latest bid, submit. So it must be at least, so we can just say 42, and yeah, it's updated. So, and for closing a particular auction listing, so let's demonstrate this as well. So the highest bid in this case is run. So logging in as Django, who was the one that created that listing, we'll see that okay, 12. So close listing. So run is the winner. So if run goes back to his page and refreshes, you see we have won the listing. The user can also add comments. For the next feature, a user can go to a watch list page and it will lead him to this. A user can also visit a category page, and from the admin panel, a user can also make changes.